Once upon a time, in a small town called Resende, there lived a young girl named Emily. Emily had big dreams and exploring the world, meeting new people, and experiencing different cultures. However, there was one major hurdle standing in her way. She struggled with speaking English fluently. One day, while walking through the town square, Emily noticed a flyer fluttering in the wind. It was an advertisement for an English course being offered by a renowned language institute called Seu Inglês Nativo. Intrigued, she decided to give it a try, hoping it would help her overcome her language barrier. The course began, and Emily found herself in a lively classroom filled with students from all walks of life. Their passionate teacher, Mr. Sa, greeted them with a warm smile. He knew that each student had their own unique story, and he was determined to help them unlock their full potential in English language. As the weeks passed, Emily's confidence grew. Mr. Sa employed an interactive teaching approach, incorporating fun activities, games, and discussions into each lesson. They practiced conversational English through role plays where Emily could pretend to be a world traveler, ordering food in a foreign restaurant, or negotiating prices at a bustling market. With each passing day, Emily's vocabulary expanded and her grammar became more refined. She could now understand English movies without subtitles and confidently express herself in conversations. Her newfound language skills opened doors and she had never imagined before. One sunny afternoon, a traveling circus arrived in Resende. The circus performers, hailing from various countries, spoke different languages. Emily armed her with the newfound English proficiency, volunteered to help as a translator. She amazed the performers with her ability to bridge the communication gap, enabling everyone to collaborate seamlessly. Word of Emily's impressive language skills spread throughout the town, and soon enough, the mayor of Resende caught wind of her talent. He invited Emily to give a speech at a town gathering where people from all over would be attending. Nervous but determined, Emily took the stage and delivered a heartfelt speech in flawless English, captivating the audience. After her inspiring speech, many people approached Emily eager to learn how she had become so proficient in English. She proudly shared her journey and recommended Seu Inglês Nativo course to everyone. She emphasized the engaging teaching methods, personalized attention, and supportive learning environment that had made all the difference in her success. Inspired by Emily's story, many people in Resende enrolled in Seu Inglês Nativo English course. Students from all ages and backgrounds embarked on their own language learning journeys, realizing that learning English wasn't just about acquiring a new skill, but also about opening doors to endless opportunities and connecting from people from all around the world. So, the Seu Inglês Nativo course continued to transform lives, one student at a time, helping them overcome language barriers, unlock their potential, and embark on exciting adventures just like Emily. Eu conto essa história para você, esperando que realmente, se você entendeu a história, que você se motive a cada vez mais estudar o inglês e ser cada vez mais proficiente, assim como essa história que não é real, mas é uma história de uma menina fictícia chamada Emily. Mas não só isso. Se você não fala inglês e você não conseguiu entender essa história e você precisou da legenda, eu digo para você, há uma forma divertida, há uma forma natural de você aprender o inglês. E aqui no Seu Inglês Nativo, a gente promove isso para você. Eu quero te fazer um desafio. Faz contato com a gente. Aqui, logo abaixo na descrição desse vídeo, tem o nosso WhatsApp. Faz um contato com a gente e venha experimentar de uma vez por todas as portas que o inglês pode abrir para você. É isso aí. See you on the next video. Bye bye.